on his head. Ribbit, ribbit, he sings so loud, jumping through the puddles proud. Quack, 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 here comes Duck, sliding through the puddles with a splish and a pluck. She flaps her wings and spins around, making splashes all around. Here come Snails, slow and sweet, wiggling by on little feet. Sliding by, they softly hum, loving rain, they slowly come. One big puddle, two so small, three with frogs and four by the wall. Let's jump in, splash so wide, five more puddles side by side. Red drop lands upon my shoe, blue drop bounces peekaboo. Green drop twirls, then purple spins, yellow drop just softly grins. We packed a lunch with jelly toast, but rain poured down on our picnic post. Soggy grapes and squishy bread, let's eat in the tent instead. The wind goes by, chasing clouds across the sky. Hold your hat, don't let it fly, wave to wind as it zooms high. Paint, paint, paintbrush, rain drip on the wall, coloring trees and flowers tall. Splatter art across the land, painting pictures with its hand. Big beats, wiggle worm with tiny toes, dances in the puddles where nobody goes. Wiggly squiggly rain day star, he takes a puddle bus, not a car. Pitter pat, tap on a tin, raindrop drums make a lovely din. Tinkle on glass, plunk on the floor, rain makes music we all adore. Peekaboo, sun, where did you go? Clouds are hiding you head to toe. Boo, says the sun from behind the gray. Wait for me, I'll come and play. Rainbow surprise. Then the rain slowed, slow and still, dripped so gentle down the hill. Suddenly what do we spy? A rainbow dancing in the sky. Now the puddles start to dry, sun peeks out to say goodbye. We had fun with rain today, singing, jumping all the way. Clap your hands and shout